Okay, FM 101.7.
Honorable Muntaka Mubarak. Eye, Mrasebegania Wodina Homa, Aswasem Pesuaso NDC Edimu, was signed Eye, Penny Ewa Mrasebegafie, na minority whip, Yaneno Chicken Como. Honorable, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Mimi amacho uone utiefo ina.
Atiefo nyina agye na ochena ye di de mamema o barika de salanso.
Oh, mimi amedase pa. Wachirodo.
Ami.
Oh, mo se kana ya ti ye ina ya afrafra. Bia wo mbi. Nti se echena kra na ye idi but waka se echena idi.
Yes.
That's pa ya men concentration ina.
We say nyina na and the chronicle the assembly about to Muntaka's bodyguard clashes with national security personnel. Say our bodyguard when national security ni bi dia boani.
Enya no kure. One ka se boy ni national security. FPP tag I was national security.
Video bi kura ba ya na social media ni ade de minister o mu bi kura.
Me say obi a obeka sa boy no. Se bi nkofo ye business ni me ho. Boy ni ye national security boy. Say you know more actually. Open the full name your friend is Shao Yakub. Popularly your friend Poyo.
Poyo. Oh, okay.
Yes. When you national security, it's an MPP card. Or a member of the Delta Force. And to be able to say, boy, near national security, piano. Meaning, this is a no, and Marco, or Mafano, or Mamano, a year. But until the time I hear, you know, boy, it's everybody I work Mazina. Is this one of the
but say no kuta pistol. Say no kuta pistol.
This is not the look. Say, and yet, Ukraine need more Ghana. This is not the first time I was watching pistol. This is not the first time I bought a pistol. Many working, walk or three pistol. I get case. Yeah, Panachino. Our Dijani. Docket, you know. Police for Atlanta Regional Police on one and named my docket, you know. And a boy and a buyer one in a more. This is about the fifth time a boy and Alco Chuchu within the community. So I just Obekaze enemy home and Eddie said the Marcan or a lot of the stations. They're in the sea, many. Maybe I make us idea we say, look, yeah, you did a bind to my dear and that. Then for you, Miss Ru, and your day, yeah. Then send the baby an answer also. Takes the member. Error. The do our beer, not with beer, and yet deliberate, not with me. Uncle Tusso. Now, beer, beer, just a beer, papa, beer, and mere name, your papa. You started, says, Minia. What in your mind? Initially, the intention is, oh, they be passing for a good as I mean, tragic. You couldn't hear a boy, cat has failed. And the second phase, and they say, okay, Sadia, what are we going to do to frustrate or more perceived stronghold? Now, maybe everyone is there. Who's Aswansi? Or the records of Aswansi election since 1992. Apart from parliamentary or boycott, there have never been an instance as once NPP Enya, what do you call it, up to 20,000. No. They get 28, 29, 30. Almost they over I mean plus or minus 3,000. They always over around that end. Now we are plan to say, Bopo say, area had the perceived NDC for the warranty. Any letter commission for me, Canada, woman slow down process now. Nipa now who will be say, you man say, Oko Babu, the other can say, Pia, who guarantees a be 7 and 8, yeah, NDC. But who will be say 2 knows all. And the way you are rather hurting even the few people that you have there. Now, when you say, yeah, registration, first day, Nkopa general from 3 a.m. Yeah, but machine, Nanipana outro and away, you got on no I-79. Now, baby, I perceive what do you call it, MPP strongholds, polling stations in there. Obekono, Nanipano, Atro, 230, 210. Maybe video, 80. Uber complain now, complaining to the district, complain to the region, complain to the national. Say, look, this deliberate for 2-3 days, Nipano, Utumuse, or even up to him, the meanwhile, Nipo Gulaimo. The Hong Kong, Utumuse, a bedu last day, Sabia ne last day. Wait me a couple police station, and then still never more of 100.
101
Because of frustration, I didn't confirm ever. Anna, this fateful Sunday, Ababu number 2. Ubako police station do now. There's no station police. I know Momanteno, Eddie Afahu, or more, no more the motor. When you got any, when you wait, woman challenge, woman use challenge for more. Debbie, woman manipaning yet, giddy now. Process are disrupted. 1 hour, 1.5 hours, no process no are store. And the dispute for the year call round and I buy who said 2 police stations, Papa Compound. Fire service officer Bako, NOI, Mr. Commander, also the grand shot of men. And look at what is happening. Also the grand shot of men. And I'm going to body guys, okay, my antenna has a crack. And here, it's number 2. And at least the process was moving. Because we are obeying a TBI, we won't say it in a while. No, call. Now, my office is with the Rubber Compound and what? So you say, Oben and Chukra, leisurely, maybe I can say 10 minutes now from the office, South Police Station. About also, in our own way. So you make me a case of Okra group. Engine makers are all the train. My main office, my main concern, common fund issues with a member. Mechina on base, I don't know. So, I mean, tax in the buyer, no. So, I don't know, too. Then I said, no, be 7. So, the answer be I was a civilian, you. So, what should we do now? What's your uniform? He's not been stationed here. And then who say, then, Wapaye, police, maybe I, one for police answer, Nina. Said you, your more younger tell say, a Wapaye. Because they know, say, I'm a police officer. Yan station ha free ha ko
ba jo no me ba jo me bo because station will be obabi a e officer o he omo so no onu nanim okuta na itinerary ni kura hu say ye we to ha no onu no obeka asa no na ogina ede be nso
say no na me ka say ade ama me ka say you bi security agencies ni bi any MPP for aye ba ko a omo ye because ede no mu hu say is no station there because for the kura no what was the chain? Say, I said, police station, no, and I got nothing. I don't say it's not to uncle. I don't say, what are you saying? Oh, civilian. Oh, Baba Catherine said, me free uncle. Oh, no, more far for police. Why I say, oh, my short no. I'm afraid they're not police body car. Little bed, police bed, 10 about. I'm a buyer, no, so. My name is Masana, and I'm also in training for 5 years. I was Masa no I know bombing. I know must hear course, I know McCoy. McCoy and a boy see, and as a job, Mumpini, this old few I'm for MC, which is to buy no, Sadia, Miss Jammy bodyguard, Waha, and also Jan the bodyguard. No one no course over. And to tell my soldier for Bahon. Boy knew who said the soldier for Yabai. I don't go to oh me. I know what you need to know by. No, video, no, because I see the rest of the story. Any day, who video, no.
Na, maybe about son,
Commander, but my main way. I don't say Commander. Mr. Commander, Marcus, you ran short of men. Oh, would you, me be more back? I say, fine. Would you officers bar? Say, you make Rano, saying me, you must have Babette enough out. I'm going around. I know the officers by the family bodyguard are free.
Who are former complaint?
Oh, minimum. May Obia be some idea more. Oh, when him police for soldier for boy attitude. Woman, you know, woman, anyway, no more panacho. Would they hear video? Soldier for pa panacho. I know the train. And you say, you call police station in car, then I expect on better. Maybe I say, we are taking videos of everything that is happening in every police station. Because you who say, because I did Saturday, complaints, I am a police, be a no take action. Yes, we are, and now say, you knew your conscience, you knew the conscience there. Every police station will place somebody advantage place. Instance BSC, not one video. And the bar, the video, video evidence, every BBR, yet they don't take action. Now we are see what him so therefore, and the main say my dad said me go report. Say anything. Because when him man tin pa no. Omo kra na e pa na, that me omo nim ni pa no. And me go cut them view. Let's have our videos. Yeah, keeping it. There in say crime doesn't expire.
Na just we no wo mo twan se mo baba ba mu a.
Oh, minia. Who now can maybe me say crime doesn't expire at the most appropriate time, you know. Since we have video evidence, maybe Biana, we'll deal with it.
Appropriate time,
I mean, look, the way your police officers are also moving and thinking. Wow, who cross the line? No, as a matter of cross the line, Kowichi. Wow, when in fact, who cross the line? I'll say, hey, walk across the line, Kowichi. No, that's not what we are saying. That's not what we are saying. My mom, last example, Sunday, Ngofobi, actually, Ovan, also for Dumakasi, Kwabere West. We buy and Wamuka, Mundi, be I do more alcohol, Kasa, more Muska, and I do more for a few. You don't by my office, and I got 10 o'clock and say, look, oh, shall we want the same people? Or move soon, video no. And the moment for Mongo police. Your police boy, how many time a Boko police for? Yeah, hey. Only a nipper. Miss Salmon, more beyond finance and come. What am for Mongo police? Wow. They don't call police. Yes, it may aid the I know more. You're two self. I mean, the enemy say, I hear the you're quiet. Minia, about 5, no police na. After more to show more 3, or more do more police. I know that's you. I know more.
Ah, police
I'm telling you. After more, I have to show more 3. And I don't know working together. What is going to be? Any Oma Bamuna, yes, I am. You can say, look, I do in me MP as one say. Position Amami, my not chief, my friend the Kure and Dijumana. Be anyone will beat me, blessing and me coin, punishment of a mammy. A bit like I said, oh, you soldier for best support too. Munye, Yomoka, oh, soldier for me, Edia, police on the Edia, he maybe you only do be no bit in a bomb by if you
na honorable.
Who can say, well, we are neutral person. Yeah, taxes, a neutral, can say, you're neutral. Never say, as you do the war, my credit be deity. Now, would the work account, a bimu, mumu, the Omako Kamo, now or more, yes, the Omu. We say, I'm a bit down. And yet, I say, don't be here and say, they say, young Crawford, they you or more to me at home. Because they won't say deliberately, no. One person saying behind me, hey, now young Crawford now. Also, Mutu with your man, and true with him. The answer, you went to Omuya, say, hey, said you, would have will be our AK-47, no, be our side arms. But I said, nobody got comfort to know. Because my cat told me now, I said, look, as long as you end this song, and you would tell my, hey, young Crawford, no, young trouble. And you don't pay a mama and the entry about we just let's keep videoing the videos. Now I'm true about said a bear process number call. Now you're Crawford trouble. Look, Nura, you won't believe it. 1 o'clock, 2 police stations. Let's see, former editor in answer. Let's see, 8. And I'm afraid this is for no. Oh, yeah, the B come on. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, now I'm going to no, my friend reason that. I mean, for almost a year. 3 o'clock, not from number. No, my friend. Up to now, me and would a mommy police station in the idiom. 4:30. And sign up from 1 o'clock. What is that we are? God will punish you in a way that if you didn't even imagine it. Why you do what I said, Bejuma? Now, say, Ube Dinukre, Ebeye, at the end of the day, then the part line. No, we down from 1 o'clock to almost 4:30 enough was a form as 2 polling stations. Simply because you see it as a perceived strong area of NDC. Now, Nipan also, because we want to show up to the last day, no. We who send any pass over line. Now, frustrations. Oh, Anna, in casa, print and no print, we, but thanks to God, young company are very resilient. The part to me tell line 3 days. What tell line, I could do you and let's see, and do so, Obeko Adetia, Obesaba. And I continue to be grateful to them. Say, they are showing resilience, say, many have been said, can be also no matter the frustration, they write their names. And to a more idea, the Jumana show monster, whether police, easy, no more yes or no. Continue doing it. You are slowing down the progress in your own life. Because this is a punish innocent people, no, but we now we try and say, we are it, we are away, and I'm train very static. You walk up baby, she, or be anyone. You can't hear me. I'm going to say, look, you can register within the electoral area, anywhere within the electoral. And to who's a Hanon Qua, sorry, not to call other end, no, because it's the same within electoral area, which my register within electoral area, and there. Outside the electoral area, I want to me register. Within the electoral area, which my register, baby, and that's the kind of frustration that they are putting us through.
Honorable, Yabada Senior and Yabesi.
Mr. Middleman.
Yes, yes, when I'm for Mubarak Muntaka, a MP for Swansea Minority Whip, the National Command.
Okay, FM 101.7.